Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use average ifs with multiple criteria in Google Sheet. So let's start this my Google Sheet, and here you can see I have a data, year, product name and amount. And here I used two criteria, year and product. Here the 2018 television products. So here I'm going to calculate the average amount as per these two criteria. So let's start. Simply select the cell, use the is equal to and enter the average ifs. So select the average ifs function. The first, the average range. Okay. So here I'm going to calculate the average amount. So average range will amount column. So I select the amount column to calculate average. Okay. Average amount. So after the select the range, use the comma. Second, the criteria range 1. So first criteria range. Here the first criteria is year 2018. So range of year is year column. So select the year column. So use the comma and then criteria 1. Now select the criteria 1 2018. Again use the comma. Now select the criteria range 2. So range 2. The criteria 2 is here the product television. So range of criteria 2, the product column. So simply select the product column and use the comma. And now select the criteria 2 is the televisions. Okay. Bracket closed and enter. That's it. Here you see the average amount is calculated as per the two criteria, the years and products. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.